We're going to settle in right now about 584 points down at 4 o'clock. That's on top of the 500-point loss that we saw earlier this week. But let me just make this point. 580 points is a bad, awful, no good day, as they would say. And however, it's not 1,000 points, which is what we saw this morning.
Look, if you looked at the opening bell this morning and saw 1,000 points down on the Dow, and then you looked at the close, you'd say, wow, this is better than I thought. Perspective here, 500-point decline in the stock market is a lot. A 4%, almost 4% move is a big move in one day, and there are big fears about what happens for the rest of the week. The big stocks that move, the most heavily traded stocks today, Bank of America, Apple, Netflix, some household names that you probably have in your portfolio. Apple in particular had an insane day. At one point it was positive, it was up several percent, and then was down again. So when you look in some of these names, you just see the irrational fear, and then greed, and then fear again in the stock market.
Fear, greed, loss of confidence in particular in China. No one really understands or knows or feels like they understand what's happening in China. You've seen perhaps a slowdown in the growth. It's going to be less than 7%. There is that fear right now, manufacturing slowdown.
And when you look at the S&P 500, you know, that's what you're likely invested in your 401k. Half of the profits in the S&P 500 and revenue actually comes from overseas. So it matters. What happens in China matters. And there's great concern that the Chinese have been trying so hard to manage the slowdown in their economy, and they might not have the tools to do it.
They don't have the control that a lot of people thought they had. Where there's lack of confidence, there is fear. Where there is fear, you see drops like we're looking at today.